You might have heard about these popular brands and would have checked their share prices. But interestingly, when they started their journey in the stock market, they were not anywhere close to their current prices. But how did they get there? It all began with an IPO. Here's what an IPO is. Say there's a pharma company, PharmMe. They are based out of Mumbai but wish to expand it across the country. But that would require funds. They can raise money in two ways, by taking a loan or by selling a part of their business to public by issuing shares. Let's say they decide to go to public to raise money. So, when a company decides to issue shares to public for the very first time, it's done through an IPO or initial public offering. Coming back to PharmMe, they approach a merchant banker to help them arrive at a fair valuation of the company and decide the percentage stake and the number of shares to be offered to the public. PharmMe decides to offer 30% stake of its ₹100 crore company to the public. Approximately 30 lakh shares in the price band of ₹95 to ₹105 each are offered. This range is also decided by the merchant bankers and the company. Then, the IPO opens for 3 to 10 days to public where they can place their orders in the form of bids. In the next step, the shares get allotted to the investors by the company. Finally, the company then gets listed on the exchanges and starts trading like any other stock. Ready to be the first public owner of the company via an IPO? Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.